Hey everyone, welcome to um, this uh, video. I'm your host, Isaac, and I want to talk about RuneScape. Um, so basically, uh, RuneScape has been evolving um, for quite some time. Um, RuneScape in the year 2035 will look more futuristic and um it would probably be called like RuneScape 5. Um and RuneScape has come a long way. And they'll have new skills like astrology, um, sailing. Like right now we're currently at necromancy, which was the last skill. And before necromancy was archaeology. Um so um there's a lot of developments um, in terms of what the new skills would be like. But uh, one of the most successful skills is divination. Um, it's very passive, AFK, and um, there's a lot of um, mini games and activities you can do. Um, so now let's talk about another game that's on my list, Roblox. Um, Roblox is very creative. They use coding like Lua to create experiences, which are games and maps and stuff like that. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna close this video. I'll see you guys later. Have a great peace. You guys are still here? Okay. Um, I just want to say thank you for um joining us today. Um, you're tuned into Crazy Video AI Images YouTube channel. Um, we do um, gaming on this channel, and we do content on the Bible, Christianity, faith,